Hey everyone, welcome to another paint pouring video. So right off the bat, I want to apologize for the background being already painted. The store that I went to didn't have the low odor spray paint, particularly in that fluorescent pink color. So I had to get stinky spray paint, and there is no way that I could spray it indoors. And I still haven't really found a good way to record myself outside yet. Yeah, so I want to do a quick departure from talking about my painting to talking about my week last week. It was actually a really interesting week for me. It was Mural Festival, which is like a whole bunch of graffiti artists and I guess artists and like artisans. They set up booths and paint on walls. I think there might be some sort of contest or something, but it's like this really big artsy festival. Really cool. Anyways, so Cal and Shab ended up partnering with one of the local art stores and performing like a 15-minute walk away from where I live, which was super convenient for me. I popped by a couple times and watched him perform and met him and everything. Very nice guy. The thing that shocked me was how thick his paint actually is. It's way thicker than I would have imagined, like probably 2 or 3 times thicker than the paint I use, which explains why his paintings never shift and I have problems all the time. Like with this particular painting, I didn't make sure that the canvas was level, and there's a little part of it that shifted just a bit, and I wish I had leveled the canvas. Anyways, I digress. Met Cal and Shab. It was awesome, and he is a really interesting fellow. And yeah, it was awesome to watch him perform and have a little chat with him. So yeah, that was that. Anyways, back to the painting. So I thought that the background actually turned out pretty cool. Kind of had this like kind of space look to it. Unfortunately, this was my second time round trying to get the ribbon down. The first time I had done a terrible ribbon, and I actually ended up having to respray the canvas. And I was impatient, and I didn't let the spray paint off gas enough, I suspect, because when I laid the ribbon down, I suddenly got all these air pockets. And I suspect it's just the spray paint off-gassing. I think I really dig the look, though. It gives it this really interesting detail to the ribbon, I think, in my opinion. Overall, I was pretty happy with this painting. It's actually a pretty big one. It's a 30 by 36, and yeah, I'm happy enough with this painting that I think that I'm going to resin it. I've discovered that resin just makes your paintings look professional and awesome. So yeah, I decided to name this one Alien Soda because of the space-like background. And obviously the air bubbles kind of remind me of carbonation, so Alien Soda. Yeah, anyways, that's about it. I got another canvas up on the cups right now. I made sure that that one was level, so I'm not going to have the same problem. This actually close up here, just as we start panning to the right a little bit, that particular air pocket is like my favorite pocket. And as you can see, I'm still really into having really tiny layers. Yeah, I'm just really happy with this painting. I hope you are too, and I hope that you enjoyed watching the video, and I'm sorry that you didn't get to watch the spray paint part. But in the next video, you will get to watch the spray paint part. I actually managed to videotape that one. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If you did, remember to hit like and make sure you've subscribed to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.